Welcome in, Twitch streamers. Today I have a tool for you that is a quality of life must-have browser dock for your OBS. You're going to need this. It helps you control things within your Twitch as far as setting up goals, rating out. There's multiple functions to it, and it's really easy, and it's kind of hard to navigate when you don't know that you need a tool that you don't have. I'm going to show you guys today where to go to get it, how to put it into your OBS, and what the uses are for your quick actions. All right, guys, so here we are in OBS. You guys know if you integrate your Twitch or you log in with your Twitch with it, if you go to docs, you have all these options. One thing you don't already have custom inside is your quick actions, which is very frustrating because that means a lot of streamers, a lot of new guys, they just don't know about the options that they could have with quick options. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your browser. You're going to sign into your Twitch, go to your stream manager, and here they are right here, your quick actions. I'm sorry, I said options. Actions. Hit the three dots right here, pop out quick actions, copy this URL right here. Very simple. Copy, go back to the OBS, go to docs, enter custom doc, go right here. We'll just call it quick action. I'm just gonna kind of be quick with it. Quick action right here, paste and apply. Boom, here it is. It's gonna ask you to sign in, so we'll get that done and we'll come back. Okay, so we went through all the signing up and signing in. Here it is, quick actions. This is going to be a super useful tool for you guys. Let me just kind of click out of this and figure out, click away, and then figure out where I'm going to kind of put it. So I'm just going to stick it over there. Again, guys, this is just an OBS that I use for recording and to teach you guys stuff. This is not how I would have anything. But I'm just going to stick it right here. So my quick actions are right here. Obviously, take the time to name it. I'm just trying to be quick here. But here you have where you can edit your stream info, which you don't really need because we already have a editor over here, or its own doc. It already comes with it, so you don't really need that one. This has the raid option, so if you're live and you're about to raid out, this is a much quicker and easier way to raid out to people. What it does is it pulls up this dashboard, and then you have some similars. So these are just kind of suggestions. People are playing the similar things to you or have similar followage as you. So it's a really cool way that they just kind of quickly say, hey, this person has similar viewers and interests as you. But then you have following same category, rated you, and then event. So people who've rated you, you could click on that. There's my good friend Dodo, rated me recently, so she's going to pop up there, who's live right now. If you guys have not, check her out, give her a follow. She's super awesome, super sweet. Same category, so I'm pretty sure I'm set. Yeah, I'm not even set to nothing right now because I'm not live. But then following, I don't know why that's not working. I had too many things clicked, so that's why. So I go to following. Oh, shout out to Sibby, shout out to Nick. Look at all these guys live. That way you want to raid somebody that you follow, somebody in your community. You can kind of do this very quickly. You kind of click on them, their stream pulls up, you know, gives you whatever warnings, and you hit start raid. And then in your Twitch chat, you'll start getting a timer right there for you to raid out to. A very quick, useful. Obviously, if you have a stream deck, you have a lot of quick options there as well with the stream deck. So this is kind of for guys that just kind of want to do it on there. I have a stream deck and I still even use this because it's just, to me, it's just a little bit quicker, a little bit cleaner. I like the way it has a timer on there for me. Kind of shows everybody who we're raiding out to whenever they're ready for it. Here you can manage your goals, which is super important. And again, this is kind of down here behind me. So let me move this real quick, actually. Okay, so I kind of moved it just so you guys can see a little bit better. So that was raid, obviously. And then here's manage goals. Here you can manage your follower goals. Again, having goals on screen that people can see will definitely help you guys. It puts it in your chat if you're running the Twitch chat. It'll put everything there for you guys when you're getting close. If not, it does also give you a browser that you can sit here and you can put over top of your screen if you want. But having goals just helps people. Oh, it looks like I met mine actually. Wow, nice. So we can go ahead and change this live here. So goal amount, we're gonna have to go ahead and end goal because we made it. Go back to manage goals, back to followers. So, and it automatically goes up by like 10. So we were at 820, now this has 830, which that's fine, I'll keep that. Automatically level up, boom. You can customize the progress bar like this, pick the color and stuff like that, which I already have mine set to blue because that's my colors. It looks like this. You can do description. It already has follower goal there, but you can put other things there if you want to make it personalized. And again, browser source if you just want to display it on your stream. And then you can hit start goal, as you guys can see over here. Now in the chat right above me here, it says follower goal has started 8:20 at 8:30. Kind of helps get people to want to follow. I know a lot of people follow when they see a goal's almost met. People really love filling up a progress bar. They really love seeing goals completed. It's super cool. Now you also have the same thing for subscriptions, which are the same. I don't know why mine's set. It's probably from last month whenever I had that amount and I was trying to get a little bit more. Because this I would say I would not suggest 29 for out of 100. You know, again, make it close, make them want to get it. You know, here I'd probably put 35, you know, just because that's close enough. We're not gonna have to change it again quickly, but they're gonna smash that for me. And again, all the same options and customizations. You have the same thing for bits. Here you can put in your bit amount. Just another way to kind of entice your people to spend on you and get a little bit of engagement. And then they have the plus program where you can kind of put that on there for people who have super active communities like this, who are trying to get into that plus program. So let's get out of here. So you have manage goals. Now you have the stream together tab, which obviously I think is still kind of newer and they're still working on. It's still easier just to go to your browser source and do it from there. Here I have custom things that I have in there. As you guys can see, things that I put in, my blurps, my dynamic follow button, my sound alerts, and my Streamlabs. There's all kinds of things you guys can add in here. There's stream stuff, there's community, chat. You guys can kind of scroll down and kind of read through these. Obviously, a lot of that stuff is going to be easier from the browser. Here you can kind of read it a little bit better. For stream, you have add a stream marker. You can clip things, you know, with the push of a button inside of there, which again, Stream Deck is a way better option for that. Edit your stream info and stop raiders for 1 hour. So if like you don't want interrupted, I don't know what uses people have for that. That's super alien to me. Like I don't understand why you would stop a raid. If there's good reason, if you're having like a closed debate or something, I guess, but I don't know why you would stop raids. Maybe if you're getting hate raided, I guess. A community where you can raid, you can poll, you can there's the goals thing, channel point reward queue, which would be a really good one to have for me. Start a prediction, stream together. Here's chat things. You can clear your chat history, toggle email only, toggle sub only, toggle follow only. That's kind of one of those things, like if you're getting a hate raid or something, you can just toggle one of those real quickly. Safety, shield mode, defend yourself, monetize. You can run ads and stuff, which is one I definitely recommend having in there if you want to run an ad break. You know, hey, you're about to go to the restroom, I always recommend running an ad, stuff like that. So anyways, this is a very quick video, guys, just trying to show you your quick actions and what uses they could do. What I mostly use mine for is mostly raid and my goals. Really just worth those 2 buttons alone. Okay, bye. Really, these are the 2 things that I use it the most for. Again, edit stream info I already have over here. Stream together, I still do it the old way, and I really don't mess with these when I'm live. So really just those 2. Again, the ad button would be really cool to add in there for you, just so you can run an ad when you need to. But that's it for the video, guys. Much love. More to come when it comes to just useful little quality of life things for Twitch for you guys. Please leave me a like, comment down below on how we're doing, or if you have any questions on future videos you'd like me to cover. Sub to the channel if you haven't subbed. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one.